Recap, pretty much came home and snowing in April.
Took all my stuff and put it in the storage.
So I'm not really dressed for snow weather. I got my shorts on. Did not expect snow at all. Good thing I'm not doing deliveries. Yeah, just tired. But anyways, wearing shorts and a t-shirt, expecting 70 to 80 degree weather again, but stepped out to some pretty chilly temperature. So maybe a cold journey home. We shall see, right? Anyways, very overcast. Not a blue speck in the skies, dark clouds, looks like rain. I guess Brandon was saying that we could be getting snow again. That would really be crappy. Anyways, good morning.